This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Display. This puts the controls where they belong. You need to confirm adaptive brightness is off if you want fixed schedule control, so toggle it now and make sure the slider responds. Once done, tap More Display Settings or Advanced to reveal scheduled options. You do this because system overrides can prevent manual scheduling from sticking, and disabling Auto Adjust ensures your time-based brightness changes will behave predictably. Now you configure the actual schedule. Tap Brightness Schedule and choose Add Schedule or Edit Existing. You pick a start time and end time, use 24-hour or AM/PM that matches your phone settings, and then set the desired brightness level for each slot using the slider. Make sure to name the schedule if offered so you can identify it later. Once done, enable the schedule toggle and let the phone save. This ensures the system applies the chosen levels at the specified times. Finish by saving the schedule and testing it. You can temporarily change your phone time to confirm the brightness shifts at the right moments. If the schedule doesn't apply, make sure adaptive brightness remains off, and check for battery saver or power plan conflicts that can override settings. If problems persist, reboot the phone and, if needed, reset display settings to defaults before reconfiguring. Remember this single troubleshooting tip. Rebooting often clears transient software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.